two are not on good terms, but you must be proud of her. You guys went to law school together, and you were quite fond of her. All until the time when what happened with him.
Spanky, let's just please focus on the evening, okay?
Well, you're the one that keeps glancing at Lilette. I'm just here making an inquiry off of a conversation and an inquiry.
I am just making a mental note to myself na kahit ano pa siya o kaya kung ano man yung sabihin niya, hindi ako maaapektuhan. I may have been her mentor before, but now I really don't care anymore. Hindi ko naman siya kamag-anak para panghinayangan pa.
Mom, do you want anything? Water?
No thanks.
Okay.
Rock and roll! Kabataang Pinoy. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations.
Ginulat niya ang Pilipinas hindi lang dahil sa kanyang ganda, kundi lalo na sa kanyang talino sa napakamurang edad. One of the country's youngest pediatrician, Dr. Hazel Santos.
Bilang pinakabatang pediatrician sa ating bansa, marami po ang nagduda at nangamba sa aking kakayahan dahil sa aking edad. But this award is a testament to the power of perseverance and determination. To all the young dreamers, remember, age is not a limitation, but a strength. Maraming salamat po.
Congrats again!
Matapang at walang inuurungan, ang little person lawyer na nagpatumbas sa mga malahiganteng kalaban alang-alang sa karapatan ng maraming kabataan. Attorney Lilette Machas.
Ambisyosa, mayabang, hilaw pa. Duwende, putong pupa, maligno, aswang. Lahat na po yata ng masasakit na salita naibato na sa akin.
Si ano ba yun?
Ha? Ano sino? Ha? Sino ano? Sino yun ate?
Yung babae dun sa...
Saan?
Wala.
Pero lagi ko pong isinasaisip na bago ang aking pangalan, naroon ang salitang attorney. Kaya bago ang sarili, lagi at lagi ko pong uunahin na maglingkod para sa karapatan at katarungan. Para isang araw, ang mundong ito ay maging masaya at ligtas na tahanan para sa kabataan.
From one lawyer to a squad of lawyers, this year's Tala ng Mga Bata Organization category, ang matapang na nakipaglaban at patuloy na nakikipaglaban para sa mahihirap na kabataan, ang Legal Advocates Bureau All Love.
Congrats po.
Love is for everyone. And when I say everyone, lahat ng mga nene at totoy kasama dito. Walang naiiwan kahit bata ka lang. This recognition reaffirms our commitment to the welfare of every Filipino child. Together, we can be the voice to the voiceless, and we can be champions to the rights and well-being of Filipino children. Maraming salamat po.
Now, let's call on stage our awardees for our photo opportunity with the officers of the Big Hats Foundation. Let's call our first set of awardees, Rakista and Dr. Hazel Santos.
Congratulations.
Once again, congratulations and thank you so much.